Now the defects. Actually, what happens sometimes, some atoms or ions are misplaced or additionally come into the lattice, or it is replaced by some other ions. Because of that, some defects has been created in the crystal and imperfections come in existence. That's why it is called the defects of the crystal. These defects are of many types. Let me explain one by one the types of the defects. So the defects is mainly of three types. The first is point or line defect. The second is impurity defect. And the third is electronic defect. So here, now this point defect or line defect is of two types. The first is line defect and the second is point defect. The line defect is actually, these arises due to irregularities in the arrangement of constituent particles in entire row. Because line defect, line means particles line, so this defect arises in entire row. Constituent particles in entire row of lattice. Now come to the point defect. This is the line defect. These arises due to irregularities in the arrangement of constituent particles in the entire row of lattice. Now come to the point defect. These arises due to irregularities in the arrangement of constituent particles around a lattice point. Because it arises around a lattice point, that's why it is called point defect, right? Now this point defect is of two types, the stoichiometric or non-stoichiometric. Stoichiometry means the ratio, for example in ionic terms, the positive ions and negative ions are in fixed ratio, right? So the ratio must be maintained because of the electrical neutrality, right? So here the point defect is of two types. The stoichiometric and non-stoichiometric. Here is non-stoichiometric defect, right? Now the stoichiometric defect it is also called intrinsic defect or thermodynamic defect. Right. In stoichiometric defect, the stoichiometry of the compound does not affect at all. But in case of non-stoichiometric defect, the defect affects the stoichiometry of the compound, right? So here, this defect means it does not disturb the stoichiometry of the compound, right? So these doesn't disturb the stoichiometry of the compound. These are of two types. First, in ionic compounds and in non-ionic compounds. So in ionic compounds and here it is in non-ionic compounds. In ionic compounds, it is of two types. Frankel and Schottky. Frankel and the second is Schottky. Now, in non-ionic compounds, it is called vacancy. It is of two types. It is called vacancy defect, or interstitial defects. Right? So this is Frankel, Schottky, vacancy, interstitial. So these Frankel, Schottky and vacancy, interstitial we will discuss ahead, right? Now move to this impurity and electronic defect, because the space is not there. So we will discuss these Frankel, Schottky, vacancy and interstitial later on, because these are the long descriptive defects, right? So here is impurity defect. So the impurity defect is of two types. In ionic compounds and the second is in covalent compounds. In ionic compounds, it is the impurity defect is of two types: ionic compounds and in covalent compounds. In ionic compound, it is also called vacancy defect, and in covalent compound, it is also called substitutional defect. Right? Now this impurity defect is due to some other compound atom come in the place of the main crystal atom, right? And that doesn't take part any kind of role in the formation of the lattice, but that displaces the main atoms in the compound. So here impurity defects is due to the presence of some other atom in place of main atom in crystal. Right? Now for example, in NaCl crystal, two Na positive ions replaced by Sr2 positive ion. One Sr2 positive displaces two Na positive, because at one two positive ion, two positive charges there. So it displaces two positive charge ions. So two Na positive ions displaced by the Sr2 positive because of the to maintain the electrical neutrality, right? And creates defects. So this is the impurity defect. This is pure impurity. So because the Sr2 positive comes in the crystal in place of Na positive ions, so it is a impurity type defect in the crystal. Now move to the electronic defect. So electronic defect is this defect arises when the composition of an ionic crystal does not correspond to the exact stoichiometry of molecule. So electronic defect is that this defect arises when the composition of an ionic crystal does not correspond to the exact stoichiometry of the molecule, and because of this the electrons are free to move in the crystal, right? So now these are the types of the defects. Now Frankel defect, Schottky defect, vacancy and interstitial. We are going to discuss these four. And here also one type of defect left, that is non-stoichiometric. So non-stoichiometric, the stoichiometric defects in that, right? Stoichiometry change. Stoichiometry change in that because of this defect, right? This is of two types mainly: metal axis defect and metal deficiency defect. So these are the main type of defects: Frankel, Schottky, metal axis and metal deficiency. So one by one we are going to discuss all these, right?